Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Gruetzner here for another Family Law Friday. Today's question is, what do I do if I want to get a divorce, but I can't afford to live on my own? So the first thing that you need to consider if you can't afford to live on your own, but you want to get divorced, is whether it's safe for you to live with your spouse during the period of the divorce. If the answer to that is no, the very first thing you should be doing is seeking a personal protection order and an exclusive use order with temporary support, which will allow you to stay in your home with the support of your spouse during the divorce. And if you are in an unsafe situation, absolutely reach out to an attorney and reach out to the YWCA immediately. Now, if it is safe for you to live with your spouse, but you just don't want to, let's be honest, it's not that comfortable to have to share space with someone that you've just told you no longer want to stay with until death do you part. So you should start thinking about other options of where you might be able to go on a temporary basis. I like to tell people that they need to think about living together post-divorce as either a means to an end or as a transition from the home together to their next transition place to finally the place where they will end up after the divorce. One thing that people often ask me is, can I find a roommate? Yes, absolutely. Even if you have children, it's okay for you to have a roommate. Just make sure that your roommate is someone that's safe to be around your children and that your children have a place to stay. The other question people ask me a lot, can I live with my family? Yes, absolutely. Even if you have children. Again, making sure that wherever you go, as long as it's safe for your children to be there and they have their own beds and their own places to stay when they're with you, then that would be a good transition place. Finally, if you have no other choices, nowhere else to go, and you need your spouse to be paying you some money even during the process of your divorce, you can ask the court for that. It would be a request for temporary support. It's imperative that if you need a temporary support order, you work with a law firm to help you get what you need so that you can be supported during the period of your divorce, especially during these times where the courthouses are not open to the public. It's imperative that you have a law firm on your side to help walk you through this process so that you can get what you need. If you have questions, if you're thinking about divorce, call us. We're here to help.